Grade 12 Business Studies Part 1 Chapter 1 Nature and Significance of Management. Hello students, Purvi here. So in the last session we talked about the various levels of management. In this one we shall discuss the various functions of management. So let's proceed further. Now as we all know, the process of management involves planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling. Let's discuss them in detail. So the first one is planning. Planning means to determine in advance what to do, when to do and who is going to do it. It means that we need to set goals in advance and develop a way to achieve them effectively and efficiently. Take our school for an example. When the situation in our country got tensed because of the coronavirus outbreak, the school management planned to provide e-learning videos to our students as they could not come to school for regular classes. So for this, Mayur sir asked all the teachers to prepare videos of their sessions and upload them on regular basis. Now, we know that the school management couldn't prevent this problem of epidemic, but it surely could predict its effect and reduced its negative consequences by taking the decision of providing online education to our students. Likewise, even planning cannot prevent problems but can predict them in advance, so its negative consequences can be reduced. So, this example gives answers to all the three questions of planning, like what to do, that is to provide e-learning videos, when to do, that is on the regular basis, and who is going to do, that is the teachers are going to do. So like this, planning bridges the gap in where we are and where we want to reach by a systematic approach. Now the second function of management is organizing. Now organizing is a process of giving out duties and tasks, establishing authorities and allocating resources required to carry out a specific plan. Once a plan is created to achieve an organizational goal, the organizing function examines all the activities and resources required to implement that plan. It determines what activities and resources are required. Like in our school, once it was decided to provide online videos, the school management made sure that all the teachers had sufficient resources like books and gadgets to prepare those videos, as well as made sure that they are doing it on the regular basis by taking regular follow-up. So like this, proper organizational techniques help in the accomplishment of work and promote both the efficiency of operations and the effectiveness of results. Now the third function of management is staffing. Now staffing means finding the right people for the right job. So it refers to recruitment, selection, training, development and appointment of the employees. So if the management wants to accomplish the organizational goals, it has to make sure that the right people with the right qualifications are available at the right time and at the right places. Like in our school, if we want to provide proper quality education to our students, the school management has to make sure that they hire the right teachers with the required qualifications at the right time and in the right grades and to train them. So, this is also known as a human resource function, which involves activities like recruitment, selection, placement and training of the employees. Now directing is the fourth important function of management. Directing means to instruct, lead, influence and motivate employees to perform the tasks assigned to them. So it refers to guiding, instructing, inspiring and motivating the employees. And to do so, it requires to develop an atmosphere that encourages employees to do their best. Like in our school, the management develops an atmosphere which encourages all the teachers to work as a team and give out their best in providing proper education to students. So, from this we can say that motivation and leadership are the two main components of directing. That's why directing is called an executive function of management, as it is concerned with execution of plans that are formed by the top management by leading and motivating the employees. Now the most important function of management is controlling, because once the planning, organizing, staffing and directing is done, it makes sure that all the activities are carried out as per the plans and the targets that are set. If proper control over the activities is not there, then actions can deviate from the plan. So, the task of controlling involves establishment of standards of performance, measuring current performance, comparing with the required or established standards, and take corrective actions when deviation is found. Like in our school, the management checks the performance of the teachers, and if they find that if it is not up to the mark, they help them improvise by correcting and guiding them where necessary. So, we can say that the management must determine what activities and outputs are critical to success, how and where they can be measured, and who should have the authority to take corrective actions. So from all these we can say that the various functions of a manager says that a manager first plans, then organizes, puts staff in position, then directs and finally controls. So this was all about the various functions of management. In the next session, we shall talk about coordination, which is also known as the essence of management. Until then, please revise the topics we have done so far. Thank you.